Here I've got the Skechers Women's Go Walk Joy Violet sneakers here in the black and the mint color. Plenty of other colors you can pick from as well if you like. So I'll give you a close-up look at them. They have this knit mesh upper here in the black all along the top. It's really nice and lightweight and breathable. You've got the Skechers logo there in the mint color. The other side, plain, no logo on that side. These are machine washable shoes, so I'll just put them in the washer. You can see there. And then these are lace-up shoes, black laces. So Skechers Go Walk there on the tongue. Some mint color there on the tongue. There's a pull on the back. Skechers Go Walk back there. You got the air-cooled memory foam Goga mat insole, which is really nice and soft and cushioned. And then some padding here on the tongue and around here, around the ankle, make it super comfortable. It says Gen 5 cushioning right there. The midsole, outsole, and this white, lightweight foam material. It's super nice and lightweight. You can see the tread on the bottom with the S logo down there. Super nice and lightweight shoe. It's pretty firm, but also flexible as well. And again, super nice and lightweight.